Now we're going to show you the Swiss Army triplet. Again, in a previous video I explained that the pattern is right, left, with the flam on the first beat. And you're going to double the first two notes. Okay, so we're going to use this in the form of a fill first on the snare drum. So we're going to use a Swiss Army triplet in the form of fills, but as 16th note triplet fills. So here we go. We're going to do it again, and this time we're actually going to start with, this time we're going to add the small tom. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to add the low tom. Same idea.